Hello everyone, this is Saroj Das. I am a student of the School of AI at EAG V2 course, and this video is part of my show my assignment which I have done. The first focus assignment to create a Chrome extension. I have used ChatGPT and another plugin in VS Code called Qodo to create this. So let's go through the features of this, and then we'll go through the code as well. Okay, so this is a tab organizer, which when you have multiple tabs in a browser, you can use it to organize. We have some default options, then we have some customized options as well as of now. So we'll try to improve on it. This is my first experience on this, so bear with me. Thank you. So this is where I go into the extension tab organizer. So if you see, we have three options by default. You can sort by domain, you can sort by title, you can sort by URL. So based on some default logic, it will do this. And we have some custom extensions, custom groups actually, which I created. I have created two. I can add one more. Say Saroj IMP2. So it's added already. So you can see the category here, MP2. Okay. So this is, then we can go to extension options, where you can see this. Also I have given because there are default options to categorize. Then we can also use the triad. I mean, I've given option to categorize based on a third-party API, where we can get the API key from there and paste URL and some timeout options, and can do some real limiting. Okay, and here the custom mappings you can add. Say for example, test1.com category test. Okay, so it added. So all these domains I can add if required. Custom domains are there. My custom. Okay, so then we'll go to the code. So this is the code, and this is the pop-up option what we saw. This is the manifest where all the configurations are there, and this is the background JS, which is doing all the function calls and everything. And we have used the icons here. This is also created using ChatGPT. You can see this icon here in this smaller one. Okay, this is the first version, so we'll try to improve it. Maybe I'll share the later version in the video separately. Okay, if you find any issues, I'll upload this video in our in YouTube and share the link, and I'll share the code as well later. Please go through, and if any issues, let me know. Thank you.